Hello, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. It's good to see you here. My name is Ego. I am a law student, lifestyle blogger, and YouTuber. So before we get into today's video, I just want to say, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and hit that bell notification so you never miss a video. So for today's video, I'm just going to show you how I braid down my hair for my wigs. And yes, as you can tell by the title, this is a no cornrow braid. So this is a safe space. If you're like me and don't know how to do cornrows, make sure you keep on watching so you can learn how to braid down your hair and have your wig laying flat. Okay, so I've sectioned off my hair and I took about a medium-sized piece, I would say, and I'm just gonna braid that. So I'm gonna do a 3-strand braid. So I'm gonna make sure I get it as tight as possible, and I'm just gonna braid all the way to the ends, and then I'm gonna twist my ends. I washed my hair and I divided it into 4 sections, and I'm just going to braid all 4 sections. And when I get closer to the front, I'm gonna do more of a small to medium size braid, and this is because you want your front to be the flattest part. So with that being said, you want your braids to be a little bit smaller. That way when it comes time to pin the braids how we're going to, so it lays flat under the wig, it can just go straight across your head. If you keep watching, you're gonna see what I mean. Okay, so I just finished, wrapping up the first side of my hair. So now I'm gonna move on and braid down that second half. And as you can see, the front is more of a small to medium size comparatively to the back that was more of a medium size. That moment when you reach the last braid, yes. So after this, I'm just gonna let my hair dry, then we're gonna come back and finish off. I personally don't like to work with wet hair. Like, who wants wet hair under their wig? I don't, and I know you shouldn't either. So wait for your hair to dry and then come back and we'll finish off. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So my hair is now dry. I'm going to take down my scarf. It's been about, I want to say 2 days. As you can see, yeah, she dry. So I'm just going to take down my scarf, and now I'm going to begin the process of how I style the braids so I can have my wig laying flat. So I'm just going to start off by braiding the front so it's super on flat. This part is super important. You're just gonna braid the front back, and then we're going to begin the pinning process. So after this, you're gonna see it. It's really hard to describe, but the best way I can say is watch. But to put it into words, we're just going to pin our hair going in many directions across the back. You don't want too many pieces of hair overlaying so it doesn't become bulky and thick, but as you see, I'm just going to pin my hair. I'm going to take another piece, pin it in a different direction, and so on and so forth. I'm doing that so I can get, like, you know, I don't know what to call it, a updo type of look, and that's going to be what's under the wig cap and on flat. Don't believe me, just watch. Alright, she all pinned up and ready to go. Look at that, flat, okay? I'm just gonna put my wig cap on and make my little bald cap. I already have a video on how to make a bald cap, so we're not gonna waste time going through that again. If you want to see it, that will be linked in the cards. Get into this. No cornrows where? Who gonna tell me I don't have cornrows under this? Who? Alright y'all, you know what time it is. I had to go grab a wig right quick just to show y'all how flat she finna lay. Like, it's as if I have rows in my head. Come on. Who gonna tell me I don't have cornrows under my head? Oh my god, like, she about to lay so flat. And my elastic band needs to be sewed back on, so don't judge me. But yeah, get into this, okay? Get into it. As you can see, this works. The wig is on flat. She's laid. Unstyled, but she's laid. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye!